class is the perfect chance for 2-year-olds to explore, learn and have fun, all while working on developing their gross motor skills, movement, creativity, physical development and body awareness. The class introduces an educational element through the use of colours, props, numbers, shapes and songs to give the child a complete learning experience. We use a wide range of age-appropriate music to keep the child focused, and it acts as a great class to introduce a child to dance and movement and allows them to learn and explore in a safe environment.